Hello everyone, this is Jeff Byers and I'm your instructor for NE 150, and I get a lot of questions about how to download the Maya software and how to get Substance Painter. These are the two pieces of software that are required for this course. Okay, you'll have to open up your favorite search engine and you'll have to type in Autodesk Maya Educational License. So I'll hold this up there, go ahead and type that in. And when you do so, just hit the enter key and that will open up this. This is what we need to have. The very top one. You can pause the video anytime you want to and go back and watch it again if you need to. But I'm not going to wait, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And I'm going to scroll down and find, I'm going to click on show all. I'm going to find Maya. So I'm just going to scroll down, find Maya, and you're going to click on select. When you do that, it's going to open up another page and our subscription plans. So you are a student, so you're going to click on this select tab. All right, and click on continue. And it's going to need verification. All right, so you'll need to either have your enrollment document, something that says that you're enrolled in a class. Make sure you get a screenshot of that. I think that's going to be enough. If not, you'll have to get some other things. So you want to put in your email that is your student email account at Johnson County Community College. So I've already downloaded this, so I can't go through all of this with you. I'll try. I can't use this one because it won't let me, because I've already downloaded mine and I'm already using that. So you'll need to use your JCC account, your student email account. Make sure you put that in there. That'll probably help you get verified faster. So I'm going to put this one in. That's my personal account. And of course you want to click on I agree and continue. Okay. So, right, all fields, account, first name, last name. So you put your first name in there and last name. Education role, I am an educator, but I'm going to click on student because if I click on educator, it's going to give me something totally different. So I'm going to go into student. And of course your birth date, whatever that is, doesn't really matter. Make sure it's over 20 years of age. So if you put something in, then you're only 8 years old. They're not going to let you do this. So just anything. So I'm going to type in some arbitrary number. 19, 2000, and continue. United States of America, you put your address in there, which I'm not going to do, postal code, all that stuff. Institutional type, university, post-secondary, name of institution, it's going to be Johnson County Community College. Gotta spell it right. Johnson County Community College, I found it, so I just typed in Johnson. So Johnson County, there we go. Website, well, let's take a look. What is the website? JCCC, there we go. And we can just do this, Control C, and go back here, okay? And I guess I only need the back part of that, don't I? So www.jccc.edu. So I'm going to Control C that and do Control V. Enrollment information. Okay, so enrollment graduation date. So maybe I have to go in here. All right, so graduation date 2021, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2028. There we go. That's good enough. And this information is accurate and matches provided and identification provided for my school. Continue. Okay, I'm not going to put my address in here. Oh, I can put in my college address. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that's really weird. College Boulevard. It comes up. There we go. You don't want to do this. You want to put yours in there. I just don't want to put my address in there. And yeah, okay. So I think we're good, because I don't want to screw anything else that I've got. So you're just going to have to go through the process of getting it, but I got you started. Let me go back. Yeah. See, I didn't use my jcc.edu account. You're going to have to use your student email account. So make sure you do that. And it should let you go through. Okay? And if not, and if it goes to that page, just go through that process, but of them verifying you. Okay? And just do everything they want you to do, and you should be able to go in and download your own stuff. Since I've already been signed up, I can't get it again, and that's why it makes it hard for me to show you exactly how it works. Okay? All right, so I hope that helps get you started for how to get started with this. Okay? So with the license for Substance Painter, you're going to want to type in Adobe Substance Painter Educational License. And this one, you don't want to click on the top one. You want to click on the bottom one here, on this one right here that says Education Substance 3D. Okay, so this is another one. Of course, they're very reluctant on giving anything for free. Adobe's just that way. So that you'll have to create your account. Okay, again, use your student email account. Don't use a personal account. That's going to probably kick it out. So use your student email account. Do what they ask you to do. Again, I've already got it. I can't really go through the whole process because I've already got a subscription. So submit your request, fill out an email, country origin, blah, blah, blah. Get your Adobe ID, your region, United States, submit, verify your eligibility, go through, just make sure you do exactly what they ask you to do, and redeem your code. Now, one of the things that you have to make sure that you do is if you get through the process and you do get to the point where you're typing in your password, make sure you write it down and make sure you have access to that when you come to class. Write your passwords down for both the Autodesk and for the Substance Painter. Once you get to that point and you get past that, make sure you write down your password and take it with you. Write it down in several places and put them in safe places, and make sure you take a copy of it, bring it with you to class, because the only way you can you'll be able to open up Maya, but when it comes to Adobe at school, you'll be able to open up Maya at school and at home, but when you come to school and you try to open up Substance Painter, it wants to go through Adobe. So anyway, that's what you got. Those two pieces of software are required, because otherwise you'll have to go to school to finish up all your work, because you're not going to be able to finish everything up while we're in class. Okay, we might be able to do that the first week, but not the second and third and fourth. So you're going to have homework, you're going to have to work at home, you're going to have those two pieces of software for sure, so you need to start working on it now. And please use your student ID account, your student account, your email account from JCCC. Do not use personal email accounts, because it'll probably just kick it right out. Okay? If they need to go through, I think Autodesk is pretty stringent on who they give this software to, because Maya is about $3,000 if you buy it outright, and about $159 a month if you don't. So it's expensive software. So make sure that you just use your student email account. I can't say that enough, and I know I've said it a million times, but anyway, good luck with everything, and I'll see you in class on Tuesday January 21st, you have to be in class the first day and the second day and the third day. We meet once a week. So, and we meet on, it looks like we're meeting on Tuesday, January 21st, the first day of JCC classes. And we're going to be meeting on Tuesday, January 21st from 12 noon to 2:50 p.m. It'll be fun. I look forward to meeting everybody. And good luck on downloading everything. And I will see you soon. Have a great day.